Hey folks, picture this. You're cruising down a forgotten back road at dusk, the kind where the trees claw at the sky, and your rig's humming like it's got 9 lives left, while every other chrome-plated gadget from the showroom's already coughing up a lung at 50,000 miles. What if I told you there's one underrated beast in the bunch that'll smoke 'em all, a sleeper that'll hit 300K without breaking a sweat? But I'm saving that bombshell for the end, cause if you bail now, you'll kick yourself when you see what your neighbor's driveway's missing. Buckle up, we're diving into the 10 reliable SUVs that'll outlast the modern junk parade in 2026. The ones built like they owe you money. Man, I've been elbow deep in grease since my old man handed me a wrench at 8. Turning wrenches on 57 Chevys in the garage while the neighborhood kids played sticky-ball cars ain't just metal and rubber to me. They're stories on wheels, the kind that carry you through blizzards, barbecues, and those midnight runs when life's got you twisted. That's the vibe here on Gearhead Garage Raw Tales from the Tarmac. No fluff, just the good stuff that keeps your heart revving. We're talking rigs that laugh at rust, shrugged off potholes, and remind you why we fell for this madness in the first place. Not some glossy brochure babble, but the real deal. Vehicles with souls forged in fire, hybrids of history and hustle that'll carry your crew long after the flash. In-the-pan EVs and turbo ticklers bite the dust. Let's kick the tires with number 10. The Subaru Crosstrek, that scrappy little scrapper that's been Subaru's secret weapon since the 90s Impreza days, when rally legends like Colin McRae were slinging him sideways through Welsh mud. Fast forward to 2026, and this bad boy's got a 2.5-liter boxer for punching 180 horses. Standard AWD that grips like a bad habit, and 97% of M from the last decade still prowling the roads. It's like your loyal mate ain't the prettiest, but it'll haul kayaks to the lake or tow a trailer through a nor'easter without whining. Beats the pants off those front-wheel flibberty bits that spin out in the first sprinkle. Crosstrek's got that symmetrical soul, distributing weight like a pro wrestler, and with a hybrid option whispering in, it'll sip fuel while you grin, ear to ear. If you're hauling kids to soccer and snow country, this is your right. Sliding into 9, the Honda CR-V Honda, the quiet kings who've been cranking bulletproof mills since the Civic put Japan on the map back in '73, outlasting Detroit's muscle era like a marathoner, eyeing sprinters. The 2026 refresh keeps that 1.5 turbo 4-banger reliable as grandma's recipe, but now with hybrid guts pushing 204 horses and 40 mpg, that makes gas station pumps weep. Remember the first-gen boxy bricks that racked up taxi miles in Tokyo without flinching? This one's the evolved beast. Room for 5 adults without elbow jabs, a cargo bay that swallows weekend warriors gear, and that CVT that shifts smoother than a jazz riff. Compared to the bloated crossovers flooding lots these days, CR-V's unibody frame flexes just right over rutted gravel. It's the SUV equivalent of a Swiss Army knife, tough without the tantrums, and it'll badge you that I bought it for life. Swagger. 8's the Mazda CX-25. My dark horse with the driver's soul. Mazda's been the underdog poet since the Miata danced into hearts in '89, proving you don't need V8 thunder to stir the blood. By 2026, it's all new under the skin. Skyactiv G, 2.5-liter, breathing-free or turbo-boosted to 250 horses. Rear-biased a WD that corners like it's flirting with the road. Skyactiv Tech. It's Mazda's black magic high compression without the knock. Efficiency that hits 30 mpg highway while you carve canyons. Think of it versus the num-num-num nuts in the segment. CX-5's got that Jinba Itai harmony. Horse and rider oneness from their rotary glory days. Leather-wrapped wheel feels alive. Bose stereo thumps like a heartbeat. And it'll outlast your mortgage cause Mazdas hate the scrapyard. Grab one if you crave that zoom zoom zing without the repair bill blues. Number 7. Toyota 4Runner, the off-road oracle that's been trailblazing since '84. When it birthed the SUV craze hauling yuppies to yoga, while Toyota whispered indestructible. The 2026 model's iForce Max Hybrid, V6 cranks, 326 horses, and 465 pounds, FTI, body-on-frame toughness that laughs at rock-crawling what-ifs, and TRD Pro trim with Fox shocks that eat whoops for breakfast. History lesson. These bad boys powered overlanding legends across the Sahara. Today's version tows 6,000 pounds like it's nothing, with 32 mpg in eco mode to boot. Against squishy malcrawlers 4Runners, the grizzled Vetwater fording 227 inches, locking diffs that bite back. It's not subtle, but neither's real adventure. If your garage dreams of dust and dawns, this'll be your unbreakable bond. Dropping to 6, the Honda Pilot Big Brother's been ferrying families since 2003, evolving from a cord guts into a 3-row titan that shrugs off 200k miles like lint. 2026 brings a 3.5 V6 with 10-speed auto, 285 horses that pull trailers without sweat, and trail sport flair with skid plates for light-duty romps. Back in the day, pilots were the minivan assassins, cargo kings with captain's chairs that fold flat for gear hauls. It's got that Honda heartbeat, timing belt that's a non-event if you wrench it right, a WD that claws through slush. Picture it edging out the Tahoe's more nimble, less guzzle, and 10.4% still with original owners after 15 years. For the clan that road trips rivers, pilots your steadfast steed, 5's the Kia Sportage, Kia's redemption arc since the 90s clunkers now, a 2026 stunner with turbo 2.5-liter or hybrid 226 horses, 38 mpg, that thumbs noses at pumps, and a WD that dances on dicey pavement. Built on Hyundai's backbone but with Kia's edge, it's got panoramic sunroofs, flooding light like a cathedral, and that 10-year powertrain warranty screaming we dare you to break us. Fun fact, Sportage pioneered the compact boom in '93. This gen's got ventilated seats for sweaty summers and a Harman Kardon system that rivals concert halls. Versus the cookie-cutter crowd, it's the spicy kimchi bold lines, zippy shifts, and reliability that climbed charts cause Koreans learned from the best. At 4, Chevrolet Suburban, the land yacht legend from 35. When it hauled Hollywood to the hills, now a 2026 behemoth with 5.3 V8 or diesel murmur for 460 horses and 36 mpg highway. Bodion frame behemoth tows 8,300 pounds, seats 9 without cramps, and Duramax diesels toward tsunami for mountain passes. It's outlived fads like tailfin. Think of it schooling the expeditions, more wheelbase for legroom, magnetic ride that irons bumps. I've seen M-badge deep in Baja dust, still grinning. If you're cruise a convoy, Suburban's the unbreakable chain. 3. Jeep Grand Cherokee, the trailblazing trailblazer since '93. Blending luxury with lunacy in 2026's 293 horse V6 or 375 horse plug-in hybrid. Quadratrack 2AWD. Conquers 24-inch Fords, air suspension levels, loads like magic. History. It birthed the premium SUV wave, outlasting Willys Jeeps in spirit. Against cushy competitors, it's the rebel with quilted leather and Macintosh audio surprise. That PHEV sips 56 mpge. Pure adrenaline wrapped in refinement. 2. Ford Explorer. America's SUV sultan since 2026's 300-horse EcoBoost or hybrid hush with 28 mpg. Rugged chassis from F150 roots. Tows, 5,600. Timberline trim claws, rocks. It's the everyman's Everest evolved from Bronco blood. Outpacing Pathfinders in space and snap. That third row folds for bikes. It's family fury with flair. And, drumroll, the hidden gem. Number 1, the 2026 Mitsubishi Xers. Yay Mitsubishi, the under-the-radar warriors from the Pajero rally raids of the 80s, when they dominated Dakar like desert gods. This compact crossover sneaks in like a ninja. 1.5-liter mill or HEV hybrid brewing, 170-ish horses. CVT that hums smooth, and active yaw control from Evo DNA, gripping turns like claws. Priced around $25,000, starting cheaper than a RAV4's Ego, features a 12.3-inch touchscreen, 360 cams, and modes for mud or monsoon. Release, hitting US lots mid-2026. Predictions say it'll eclipse the Kicks with better value, 35 mpg hybrid, and that warranty fortress. It's the Junk Buster. Spacious wheelbase for leggy passengers, 222mm clearance for curbside conquests, and electrified future-proofing without the wallet whack. Why's it the champ? 'Cause in a world of overpriced overachievers, XFORCE delivers raw, reliable, rush-like. Finding a V8 in a Miata. It'll outlast 'em all, no sweat. Ooh, there you have it, your roadmap to rigs that'll echo your echoes long after the odometer spins wild. But here's the gut punch. Closer. In this throwaway age of planned obsolescence, what's the one ride you'd bet your last tank on to carry your stories across decades? Drop it in the comments. Smash that like if any of these fired you up. Sub for more garage gospel, and share with your road dog crew. Drive fierce, live louder, catch you on the blacktop.